Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That's simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back everybody tapped in with Women Unite. This is a congratulations video and just an announcement because the floor price have moved up to 1 Ethereum. And now also from the last video that I dropped, I can also speak on the community a little bit more because the comments have just been nothing but positive, and I mean they loaded it up. So I need you guys to come over here to the Twitter. Make sure you get the follow, the bell notification, and let's give them, if you're part of the channel or my money bag alerts, you guys should be looking good already. So come give them a follow, come give these some likes and retweets right here. We got this announcement right here as well. So we got highest item for today just sold for 2.2 ETH. Okay, so right now we're getting some traction, and that's why I'm keeping my foot on the gas. This project is not going nowhere, and by the overwhelming response and positive response from the community in those comments, go check it out. I highly advise you guys go check it out. I mean, it's amazing, and it kind of made my night. It made my night, to be honest with you guys. So I want you guys to check something out. Right now we're going to get to these prices of the NFTs and what we got going on. We're going to look at the trading volume. The trading volume has picked up substantially, right? And also the floor price. This is where we're going to look where there's a lot of opportunity right now. I'm going to show you guys some things right now. I'm dropping some little gems right now. Okay, right now the floor price is 1 ETH. Are you kidding me? The next one automatically goes to 2.2 ETH. This is not going anywhere. This is going to be big. And look how fast this changes. This has 125 likes. Pay attention to the likes as well. And look how fast it jumps from 2.2 ETH to right away to 3 ETH. It's going to get a lot of traction. This is 4 ETH, 5 ETH. So the floor price is not like, usually what you'll see is a lot of gaps in between getting to the next one whole ETH. So there'll be 1.5, 1.7 or 1.2s or whatnot. But right now we're seeing a big push right now. The volume has picked up. The floor price is 1 ETH. You know, this is not financial advice, but I want you guys to go read the other comments on the other video, because now we have a representation of the community that's behind us. We got diamond hand holders. We have a community that's very strong. I mean, these pictures and the art that they came up with and the idea, the concept is amazing. It's brand new, so it disrupts the market. We have a lot of good catalysts, you can say. Look at this last one right here, 222 ETH. This is crazy. So you guys do not want to miss out on this. I'm just making another announcement, giving the Women Unite, and congratulations on the floor price and the trading value picking up. And I hope nobody else misses out on this. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.